it's Nanaski, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song Heart of Worship. It is such a beautiful classic song, and this is how I usually play the introduction.
Music fades, all is stripped away.
So that's how I do the introduction, and I'm going to break it down for you. So the introduction chords are D, and with your left hand you're going to be playing this, and then your A major, and then you have a G, and then an A again. So with your left hand, you're going to be playing the flowy style. I do have a lesson on the flowy style if this is like really new to you. It's such a beautiful piano skill to have. And then go back to A. And then with your with your right hand, that's where the most work is going to be. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to place your hand on the D chord, and you're going to do this. Okay, just for that first part. So watch. Did you see how I'm pressing on this A with my left hand? So I'm going to show that again. You can either press on this, or you can, the melody is very flexible. I guess you can go to this F sharp. Again. Got your D, this is an A, and then you go down to G.
And I simply cut
A little A is suspended here, A4. That's how it looks like.
longing just to breathe,
So what I did here is I did
longing just to breathe,
again that A4,
something that's worth the G that will bless your heart.
you got your A4, and then you go back to the regular A. Here's the pre-chorus. You start out with the E minor, and before starting I like to do this like 3-note.
I'll bring you more than a song.
So what it is an E minor, you got your D chord over F. That's how it looks like. So E. I'm playing the E inverted chord. You can play the regular one, E minor.
I'll bring you more than a song. Song in itself is not what
Inverted D with F on my left hand, F sharp.
you have required. You search much deeper within.
So same chords are repeating. You got your E minor, D over F, A. Okay, so
You're looking into my heart.
then you have the chorus, and that is the D chord. So I really like the D inverted chord. It just sounds so beautiful and full. You can always do the regular D.
I'm coming back to the heart
You got your A here,
of worship.
and then an E minor.
It's all about you.
Notice what I'm doing with my left hand. I'm doing that flowy style.
It's all about
you got your G and then A and then a D.
I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus.
That's just the chorus for you. Notice that a lot of the work is just with the left hand making that like beautiful flowy style or arpeggios, while your right hand is just pressing on that chord. Again, if you're uncomfortable with this flowy style, I do have a flowy style lesson on this. You can add it to any song, it is so beautiful. Then you go to verse 2, which is essentially the same as verse 1, you know.
King of endless worth.
Then you see the same things repeating, and then at the very end you can kind of repeat it's all about you, you know, with that chord progression of E minor,
You.
G, A, and D, and you can just like repeat that.
It's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus.
So playing that through that chord progression and just singing it out, and that's the entire song. Hope you enjoyed watching it. You're gonna see on the side there's another tutorial that you can watch and learn.